Okay, this is a real quick video. I've got an older Genie Pro, and it's got this external receiver. It might look like this, covered up. Take that off, and it's one of those ones with the pins. You can see the pins right there. And then you match the pins up to the, you match the pins up to your opener, and as long as the opener is the same pins, that all works. I've been having problems with mine, and rather than keep messing with this, I decided to replace this unit with the new modern rowing code one. Real simple. The wires came in right here. I just took this out. Then I literally just, the wires are soldered in, so I literally just ripped the wires off. So then I had a black, red, and white wire. This garage door is older, it does not have an eye on it. So just took that off. This is then garbage. And I've got this new Derek unit. It's got that antenna up there. There are my wires. I chose button number 1. So also you plug it in. So it's got its own individual power, which is different from the other one. Directions told me to attach the white wire to the ND, and the black and the red to the COM, and that didn't work. Touching the white and black together did, so I just took the red wire off, and now everything works. We've got the opener here. Works. So I'm just going to cut this red wire off so it's not hanging there, and that's good. Everything else works, so quick and easy. And Derek cost about 45 bucks and took me about 10 minutes. Hopefully that helps. I'd appreciate any likes, comments, and subscribe for more stuff. Thanks.